Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is Jobs Tracker. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So in our today's video, we are going to discuss the demand for Java developers in 2025 starting January. We are going to discuss everything in detail. We are going to discuss about AWS, Spring Boot, Java latest version, and we are also going to discuss which companies are hiring right now for Java developers and providing a salary of 15 to 25 lakhs per annum for all the Java Spring Boot developers out there. We will also discuss about the UI part, that is React.js, AngularJS or Vue.js. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. Now, before moving forward, I have a small humble request. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. And don't forget to share this video with all of your Java developer friends so they are also aware about what is happening in the market right now. A lot of people are worried because they are not getting jobs, they are not able to switch jobs in Java development area. Now this is interesting because the demand for Java developers has been historically very high, and skilled Java Spring Boot developers are required in almost all the companies which are working on enterprise level applications. If you go to any bank, if you go to any like legacy application, you will find that Java is being used. That is the reason the packages that are given in these companies are even higher. Okay, if you go in startups, they might be using Node.js for backend development, they might be using Python Django framework for like backend development. But in most of the legacy applications, most of the big applications where security and elasticity or like all these things are required, okay, basically scalability is required, then mostly Java is used because of its like the community is very good, the number of requirements like you can build in Java is very high, right? So that is the reason Java developers have a lot of demand. Okay, but there are some people who are not getting jobs. I've been getting some kind of comments from Java developers that please, I am not getting a job, can you refer me in this particular company, can you refer me in that particular company, do you have any friends in this company, because they are not replying to my emails, I'm not able to apply, I want to work for that company. Then in that case, you should be aware about these things, right? So if you are a Java backend developer, okay, let me just turn on the pointer real quick. Where is the pointer? Yeah. So here you can see Java full stack developer and Java backend developer. So if you're a backend developer, you should be knowing these main things, that is core Java, core logic, then Spring Boot, okay, that is the RESTful web services, how you can build it over there. Then you should know about like Hibernate or even GPA, Spring Data JPA, and the latest version of Java, that is Java 8, Java 11, Java 17 should be known. Okay, then Spring security like Redis, cache and caching and everything, and then messaging queues and everything is also important, very important basically, right? So a cloud service is very important along with the backend development. Okay, so if you're a single backend developer, solely backend developer, then AWS, Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Git, so all these things are very much required. Okay, along with that, if I talk about the relational databases, you should be master in among one of these, right? If you're having 3 years of experience, then you should either know about MySQL, PostgreSQL, or even Microsoft SQL or even Oracle. Okay, for people who are going towards MongoDB, that is no SQL DB, then MongoDB or Elasticsearch is one more option. Okay, so for people who want to go ahead with higher packages, more than 15, more than 20 lakh rupees also, they can go ahead and go towards full stack Java development, right? So in front end, you will have to learn HTML, CSS, then you have to learn the most important JavaScript and any one of the frameworks, that is Angular, React.js library, basically a library, and Vue.js, okay, Vue.js. So these are the things that you should be knowing. Okay, you should have a hands-on experience of like running the development, writing the development code, and then running it, and then moving the code to production and other things, right? This is required. Now you might be asking that I personally have experienced when I was giving interviews, I saw a lot of people who were Java developers, but they do not have any actual on hand experience, right? So this becomes a primary concern of the recruiters because they want someone who has already worked on the particular code. They don't want anyone who is a fresher, right? And that is the reason when you are working in your project, make sure that you really work hard. Okay, you should be able to know what exactly is happening, why we are implementing this, why we are writing an interface, why we are using different annotations, why we are using multi-threading, and a lot of things, concurrency and other things, right? So you might be getting that from other tutorials on the YouTube also, but definitely I wanted to highlight this point, right? Now you might be thinking which companies are hiring actively for Java backend developers, right? So see, basically, I'll tell you first thing, that is the market is relatively kinder. So this is what I feel, right? Towards Java Spring Boot developers. And if you go on Naukri.com, you will find that daily like hundreds of job postings are available for Java developers. Okay. So basically if you go and look at any of these company that is shown on the screen, right, for Java developers with 3 years plus of experience, okay, they are providing roughly around 15, 20 to 25 lakh rupees, okay, which is very achievable. And most of the recruiters are saying yes if you are having the right skills for this kind of companies, right? So if you're already sitting at a higher end of the salary band, like basically 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs, you are sitting at that salary, then for you might be facing some kind of challenges getting more than 30% hike, because already you are at a higher salary, right? So getting calls won't be an issue, but converting those calls might be tougher as the expectations from you will be higher if you're having a higher salary. You need to be strong in DSA. Low level design is a must, and high level is good to have, right? You should be familiar with messaging queues, AWS, Kafka, streams, and other things as well, right? Kubernetes, Jenkins or CI/CD, and everything will be expected basically if you're having a salary of 20 and you're expecting around 25 to 30, right? Most of the developers I've seen, Java developers, they have a target of 30 before 30. This means that they want a package of 30 lakh rupees before they turn 30, okay, in terms of age. So best of luck. I would just say that, like, see, these companies are hiring. You can go and check out their pages. Okay, Citibank is hiring for Java developers. Accenture is again providing good packages like 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, even 25 lakhs also for experienced Java developers. Nice is one of the companies. You can go and get a referral from some of the employee. Slice is again hiring for people working in Bangalore, like Walmart, Grow, Slice, Flipkart. All these companies are hiring on a big scale. Nykaa again is hiring. Paytm is hiring. Flipkart is also hiring every year. Okay, so this becomes an easy task for you. I generally feel that market is relatively kinder towards Java Spring Boot as of now, so you can get good opportunities in the next upcoming year, that is 2025. In Jan Feb you'll be getting good opportunities also, but the only thing that you have to do is you have to convert that opportunity that you're getting as an interview, and then clear the HR rounds and all the technical rounds, and then get a job. With this, I would like to end our today's video. If you have any questions, if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. Thank you.